So let's just have a look at the actual VideoStrap foundation. It comes in a Fireworks file, but you also can have the option of using a PSD file, and all these contents are fully customizable. The library of VideoStrap comes with a few components. You have the logo, frame, presents, video, title. Then you have what a class called a punchline. You have a 3-point framework. You have a lower third here for your brand. You also have a services frame, about frames. And it is interesting the analogy that VideoStrap makes with actual web design, because in web design you have pages, and each page has a layout, and each page has a purpose, and so VideoStrap is like a website. It has components, it has background, it has copy, headlines, calls to actions, things like, for example, feature frames. So you can say feature 1 is something like great price. Feature 2 can be excellent customer service or whatsoever, and feature 3 can be 24-hour support or something like that. You have another frame called a special event. Location. Location is where you can include a map of where you are. You have a call number, visit, website, call to action, and it is pretty complete. So what you do using the framework is you save this file. You are going to choose the pages that you think you are going to include, or the content classes you are going to use in your video. Let's say you need some of these. You need the logo, and you need the video title for sure, number 1 and number 3, very important. And all you are going to do is export those pages. And when you export those pages, you make sure you export the pages to files, and you're going to use, by clicking the options button, you are going to export as a PNG 32, which includes transparent backgrounds. So there you go. And what you do is you export this framework in your frames folder, replacing the existing ones. All right. And now you can go to your folder frames, and you are going to have all your collection. So how do we implement these frames into our video? We were showing earlier composition technique using VideoStrap. So let's just go ahead into the folder again. And what we need to consider is every time we create a new video production, we create a folder, and this folder can be called training video or training videos, because maybe those are serious. So in training videos, what you do is you bring the VideoStrap foundation. You copy this whole package into your video production. It is a 265 megabyte package with the bonus if you want to have all the videos and sound effects. Otherwise, it is essentially the frames folder. So let's say we're going to use the whole package, but if we were to use our own assets, so all we have to do is just delete all these backgrounds and music and etc., and just keep the frames folder. Okay, the frame folder itself is very lightweight. The current version has 39 frames, and let's see what's the file size of this. Okay, it's just 1 megabyte file, and this is a 1 second download really. So if you want to get the VideoStrap foundation frames, you can download them. I have the link underneath, and that's all you need to get started. There are more VideoStraps with different purposes, a little bit more rich in frames and assets, and you can also find those on the link. But let's just go ahead and move into composition mode. Let's just clean up the stage. We're going to make a new video from scratch. I'm just going to use these frames. So I want my video to you know, give some instructions, some directions. For example, the logo starts, and then a punchline, and then I want step 1, step 2, step 3, and call to action. Okay, so I'm going to go and get the logo frame right here. Then I'm going to use a statement, so I use the statement frame. Then I want to use the 3-step frames, step 1, step 2, step 3, and then, you know, I want to use a punchline just to sort of like kick at the end and call the action. So the next frame will be the call to action. I want them to visit my website, so I'm just gonna use the visit website frame, and the video is kind of looking like this. This is the sequence: step 1, step 2, step 3, punchline, learn more, boom, there you go. You can technically export this file right away, and you can use it as a proof of concept for your video. And focus, what I will suggest here is focus in the sequence, focus in the timeline and the cuts, and then you are going to swap these frames for your own custom. So let's say you now want to change whatever are these steps. Step 3, step 3 download. You can just simply edit this content. And again, all you have to do is basically re-export those frames. Let's see, step 3, download your video. Let's change this color. Let's make it let's go for black here. There you go. And step 3, download. Let's change the color of download for green. I really like this flat design approach because you don't have to worry about gradients or bevels or any sort of effect. If you want to use a more stylized theme, then go ahead and change all these graphics. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is after you finish your customizations, export the page or the set of pages that you have just edited, export them into your frames folder of your project. I'm just gonna put them back here in the foundation, and that's it. Now when I go to the program here, let's see what happened. I should have this file replaced already. Oh no, I know. Okay, sorry, I just saved in the wrong place. So let's export these ones again, but in the right folder. I'm just doing it in the foundation folder. So let's go to a project folder, training videos, foundation frames, export pages to files, options, PNG32, okay, and save. And now if we go here to a VIDEOSTRAP layer in the actual video editing program, you can see how this changes. So I will show you more videos. There is going to be more training on using VIDEOSTRAP and composing and making videos rapidly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and this is a demo, and check the link and enjoy. Thank you.